That beeping sound, I'm gonna get rid of that. So if you're like me and you got a new velomobile and you hate that buzzing sound when the turn signals are on, all you gotta do, take a pair of wire cutters and cut the positive and negative to this little box right here. And you can see I've already done that. Basically this. And now when you turn on the turn signals are on. No more buzzing. Other side works. Doesn't affect the turn signals at all. Just want to show you guys that quick solution there. Thanks for watching.